Hello there, welcome to the channel. For the past 2 days, I've been traveling, and right now I am surrounded by coffee plantation. Any guesses where I am? Wait a second, I'll show you. Welcome to Wynard in Kerala. I'll be here for the next 2 days. और यहाँ पे मैं कैसे पहुँचा, roads कैसे थे, all that. I know you have a lot of questions. I'll answer all of them up next. The day started with putting this bag on the bike. Lol, just kidding. This is a road trip. Soon we were greeted with some heavy rainfall. After the rainfall, we took a short break to check out this view. And our first major stop was Sri Krishna Temple at Udupi. After fueling up both the car and ourselves, we were on the route towards Dharmasthala, which was going to be our first stop for an overnight halt. Day 1 ended with 398 kilometers on the odometer.
The next day.
Welcome to day 2. Today we are heading towards Madikeri from Dharmasthala. The road towards Madikeri is very scenic and covered with beautiful lush forest on both the sides. On the way, you can treat yourself with fruits such as jackfruits and pineapple. Soon, the roads through the forest ended, giving us a chance to have lunch at this hotel. After lunch, the trip continued, and those roads brought us more and more closer to the mountains and the cold, fresh air. And here we are at Madikeri. And believe me, this is actually my third time here. And from what I can remember, from the last time we had visited this place, the city has developed a lot. We spent the evening shopping and later slept early as we had to leave tomorrow early morning to Wynard.
The next day.
Good morning from Madikeri, and before we leave for Wynard, I would like to show you our homestay. More details about the homestay in the description of this video. After fueling up again at Madikeri, we set out for Wynard. The road and the scenery was absolutely amazing. Every turn had something new to offer to our eyes. It was just too beautiful. We even stopped to check out some of the coffee plantation. And before we knew it, we were already in Kerala, in Wynard. After literally hunting for hotels, not that the hotels are less, but the accommodation was almost full in most hotels and some we didn't like that much. We finally decided to stay here. From here, I mean from where I had started the video. So back to the present. Welcome to the present. So how was the recap of my 2.5 days journey? Let me know in the comments below. In Wynard, we are currently at the Wood Rose Resort in a buggy which is taking us to our room, which I'll show you next. And the view from the room is just next level. Trust me when I say it. Moonflower, that's the name of our villa. Let's go on top. So this side is me. यहाँ पे toilet and AC, which I don't think we'll need here. But the best part is this. Just look at the view. And there's also a swimming pool over here and a gym. Sitting area. There's no chair over here, but area hai. This is how the room is. Beautiful, right? Later that evening, I went for a swim in the pool. The experience was really nice to swim in the cold water surrounded by coffee plantation, listening to the songs sung by all the different insects and bugs. I literally ditched all the plans in the later half of the day to actually just relax here and enjoy the resort. They even have a fireplace and a barbecue area. So this brings us to the end of this video. But do not worry, I have a lot more coming your way from this travel series, as it is my first time here in Wynard and we are going to do a lot of exploring and other touristy things. So be sure to subscribe and stay notified. And if you have watched the video till here, do hit the like button and share this video with a friend or two. And by now you know when new videos come out on this channel. It's Wednesdays and Sundays at 1 PM. So see you in the next video. Take care and peace out.
तो प्लीज सब सबर करा सारा खबर सबर कराए सारा सारा whatever